Hi, it's me, Gabe. Y'all know me from class. I didn't use my phone to record this because my phone died last minute in the recording, so all that stuff was lost, and so I'm using Paint. And this really pixely image of me will be me today. And so I'm talking to you today about the lionfish. It was a project of ours a few weeks back, and I thought it'd be a cool species to talk about invasive species. Um, the lionfish is an extremely dangerous species. What it does is it migrates to a new area, uh, just destroys the natural like fish and wildlife that's there because it just consumes everything. And then it doesn't have any natural predators, and I'll explain why in a minute. But this is the lionfish, and what it does is it looks cool. It has the colors, and so humans will catch them when they're fishing, take them to a fish market. They'll sell them, and if they're alive, people will keep them as pets. They'll get stung. They'll throw it into the ocean, and then with many people dumping these in the ocean because they're unfit to be pets, um, they the lionfish here, will swim around and look for food. It'll look for a way to survive. And so it'll just naturally feed on the fish that are in the Atlantic and the North Pacific um, ecosystem. And they originally come from the Indian Ocean and the South Pacific Ocean. And but like I said, with human interaction and just natural migration, they just come up and destroy the ecosystems because they just eat, eat, eat. And so a fisherman one time caught a lionfish, and it had up to 16 to 18 small fish inside of it because it just didn't know when to stop eating. And then another really big issue with these is that they don't have any natural predators because of the venom. Sharks will attack them, eels will attack them, other predators will attack them. They don't Once they attack them, the lionfish might die, but that predator learns to never attack that type of fish again. So the next lionfish won't get attacked when it's eating. So that means these lionfish now have no natural predators, no way of dying off quickly, and they have another huge issue with them. They can lay up to 2 million eggs per year, according to lionfish.co. Um, the lionfish eggs also don't get like you'd think, oh yeah, like in the movie Finding Nemo, what happened at the beginning was the mom and dad had the eggs, then a shark came and attacked and ate all the eggs, ate the mom, and all that was left was Marvin and Nemo. So, but that wouldn't happen with the lionfish because the eggs also have natural venom, and that's how the baby fish get their venom. But they, uh, with the no predation. The eggs don't die out. The 2 million eggs per year. These fish don't die. According to the Inter Research Science publisher, there was a study done on lionfish. The lionfish, otherwise known as Petrois volantans, was put in a like fake coral reef with other natural prey, with like its natural prey, and 79% of that natural fish, the natural prey, were killed off when these fish were uh, put in with the lionfish in this fake coral reef. And that's happening to our actual coral reefs in the Atlantic Ocean and in the Pacific Ocean. And these lionfish have no way to be stopped. And so if we scroll down here, we can see that here um, they came up and came around Florida and on the Atlantic coast here and are decimating this area. And these lionfish are awful. They just destroy everything in their path. And so there aren't many ways to stop them. There was a Bahamas Act where people tried to they had held a contest, and so the people would jump in, catch as many lionfish as possible, and then come out of the water. And whoever got the most lionfish, I think, got like a $10,000 prize. And so uh, that was according to the article we read all the way back that Miss Johnson gave us a few weeks ago. And so this is a huge epidemic. Uh, if we could get government funding to this, we could set up we could get actual gear and try to study these and get an actual way to stop these. or else the coral reef is going to die. And once that's gone, it's gone. The Because there are fish that help the coral reef that the lionfish eats. So the lionfish are not only affecting the wildlife that's there, it's affecting the coral reef. And so I think we need to get a government funded program to stop these menaces. Um, Thank you for watching.
Okay.
All right, basically we're drawing a lionfish in paint, and then we are going to compare. It's a speed draw session, uh, and I try to do this for a bit of comedy. So you ready, Drew?
Yes.
All right, let's go. I'm doing this without a reference image because
I know what it looks like as well, so we're all good.
we all know what it looks like. So
Hopefully.
no, I think we know.
Hopefully.
Bro, this video is cringe. You're going to lose a subscriber.
Nice. All right, let's do this. That right there.
God, I can't wait to fail this final because my video is awful.
It's gonna be. Eh.
Cringe. It's going to be cringe. You are cringe. Why are you cringe? Oh God, this entire draw segment for laughs and giggles, because I need like some sort of entertainment in it, because I redid it and it was like all seriousness, because I was so done of recording like 5 different uh things, because they were way
Yikes.
too long and I messed up and just didn't have enough time. So yeah, I was so done from doing that that it's like all seriousness. And
Nice. How much time do we
uh
got?
we're done. We're done right here.
Oh, okay.
All right. So, Drew, share your screen first.
Yes. Bam. Bam. Share screen. Ta-da!
Heck your ecosystem. God, I'm dying. Holy shit. All right, that's great. My turn. My turn.
You're gonna have to edit out the shib.
Yeah. Oh shit. Shiitake mushrooms. Sorry, Miss Johnson. I'm gonna. Okay, yeah, this is my lionfish.
Wow. You
I
drew that
know.
in like a minute?
Yeah, bro. It was tough.
Wow.
It's mad. It's angry. It wants
Angry.
lunch. All right, cool. All right, so
Nice.
hopefully this little segment like added some fun to it. Honestly, it's really bad. I was so frustrated with trying to get a 5 minute segment done. So later.
Later.